Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to install a magazine tube extension kit for a Remington 870. This is the kit I got. It is Coate Machine and Tool Company. I got it off of MidwayUSA.com, and I guess it'll work good. We're going to try it out, and I'll shoot a few shots at the end, make sure it works and everything. So it's going to hold 10 shots. So we can get going in a second. I'll tell you what you need first. You're obviously going to need the Remington 870. You're going to need a Dremel tool kit or a file, and you're going to need a screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver or the tool used to take out the spring stopper in an 870. I don't have it because I bought this gun used, so I'm just going to use a screwdriver. Okay, so let's break this open. Okay. There's the spring. There is the magazine tube. Here is, I guess, a shell stopper and a sling, the sling mount. Okay. Just put that aside. And first thing we're going to do is make sure the gun is unloaded. Mine is in fact unloaded. Okay, so we're going to start. You're going to go to this end cap and screw it off. That's the first thing you're going to want to do. Put that to the side, and we'll back up. This is where, if you have that tool, you can use it, but I just have a screwdriver. What you're going to do, you want to put it right in that hole, put your screwdriver right in that hole, and push down about 4 inches, and twist just a little bit, and you'll feel it loosen. Then you're going to want to catch it, because it is on a spring tension, and then bring your spring and that spring stopper out. You want to turn your gun upside down and let your plug fall out and go down here, and then push it. Oh, there goes my barrel. Let's put that to the side for now. You're going to push your shell stopper out. Once it gets to the end, you can see a little orange in there. You got to line it up with these little indentions. So you're going to have 2 indentions on your shell stopper and 2 indentions on the barrel. I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, you can set that off to the side for now. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to get your Dremel. And on those 2 indentions, you can see one right there, maybe. It's just right there. It's an indention. You can see it from the outside a lot better. But what you're going to do, you're going to want to file those down. So I'm going to do that now. Let's get my little Dremel. And you just want to file those down. Alright, file those down. Let's take a look. Looks pretty smooth to me. Alright, now we're going to wait for that to cool, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I got everything smoothed down real good. It took actually more. I had to do some more dremeling after I ended the video, but I got it smooth now. That's what you want. You want it as smooth as you can get it, guys. It's got to be about near perfect, or this cap won't fall in and it'll get stuck and stuff. So I did that. I went through, cleaned everything real nice. So I'm gonna drop this in. Then I'm gonna get my, actually first you're gonna need to put your barrel on. Barrel has to go on first. Alright, barrel is on. So we drop that little orange piece in. Now we're gonna get our extended spring, stuff it down in there. We're gonna get this orange piece, put it on top of the spring like that, and then get our magazine extension tube and slide it all over. I'm gonna push it all the way down and just screw it on. Get it pretty tight. You don't want it to get loose. Okay, after you get it pretty tight, now we're gonna go to the sling extension. What you're gonna do with this is you're gonna make in kind of the shape of an 8, and you're gonna put one side on, I guess, one side of the gun, and then the other, you're just gonna have it hugging the barrel. You're gonna get your the piece that holds the sling and stick it through. See, it's kind of poking through. Then you're gonna get your nut and you're gonna screw it on. Okay. All right. Mine's not super duper tight, just because I'm not gonna leave it on. I don't use a sling on this gun. But that is it, guys. You now have your magazine extension tube. We can these are 3.5 inch shells, so I'm sure it won't fit 10, or they're 3 inch shells. But we're gonna see. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8. You can fit 8 with 1 in the chamber. Alright guys, got it on. It's got a light rain, so I'm gonna do this fast. Got one in the chamber, and this is the new magazine extension tube shooting in an eggnog box. So yeah, I'd say it works pretty well.